Every chip begins as a simple potato pulled from the earth.
Machines replace the back-breaking labor of hand harvesting.
Freshly dug potatoes travel immediately for processing. From soil to supply chain, in a single continuous motion. Ahead lies the heart of modern snack production. Weight data ensures precise batch tracking. A controlled entry begins the transformation.
Whoa, stop! Right there!
Human precision guides heavy machinery. From trailer to conveyor without pause.
Movement automation maintains momentum.
Even tiny impurities can complicate processing. Pressurized wash removes soil at industrial scale. Light reveals surface defects invisible outdoors. Quality starts long before slicing.
Uniform size ensures consistent cooking.
Automation meets traditional batching systems. Material handling bridges every step. Next begins the journey to the Pringles production facility. Each load begins a controlled journey to the processing line. Strict traceability follows every batch.
Modern supply chains compress distance between harvest and factory.
Loads are staggered to maintain continuous plant input.
A dedicated industrial corridor feeds the facility.
Security ensures controlled manufacturing environments.
Digital monitoring tracks every incoming shipment.
Energy systems sustain non-stop operations.
Accuracy prevents spillage and speeds unloading. Mechanized handling reduces manual strain. Movement remains continuous to avoid idle time. Bulk volume stabilizes before precise processing. Potatoes advance into facility core.
Here, raw material enters the controlled environment.
Surface particulates break loose before full cleaning.
Water removes soil without damaging delicate skins.
Gentle agitation protects structural integrity for slicing. Next, the journey takes us inside the core factory interior. A dedicated processing complex built for non-stop production. Ingress points isolate raw flow from finished zones. Airflow control protects sanitary environments. Worker safety protocols reinforce food-grade standards. Every person entering must meet strict hygiene controls.
Internal pathways keep flows separated by function.
Observation prevents cross-interference.
Here, whole potatoes begin their transformation.
Flow buffers maintain uniform slice timing. Precision alignment ensures repeatable cuts. Mechanical slicing produces uniform raw cuts. Safety interlocks prevent hazardous exposure. One continuous motion begins their metamorphosis.
Slices are prepped for slurry conversion.
Potatoes begin dissolving into homogeneous mixture.
Water extraction concentrates essential solids.
Thermal control ensures ideal slurry chemistry. Now preparation shifts toward cleaning and fine sorting. Flow paths guide the slurry toward purification. Filtration refines texture for consistent molding. Gravity separation stabilizes liquid composition. Precision sensing ensures uniform feedstock. Moisture removal begins before sheet formation. Cyclonic force separates solids with extreme efficiency.
Concentrated solids enter controlled batching. Precision batching ensures formula integrity.
Dry ingredients blend for structural strength. Oil distributes moisture evenly.
Potato slurry transforms into cohesive dough.
Multiple passes eliminate air pockets.
Air removal prevents weak spots during frying.
Strict safeguards protect consumer safety.
Heat prepares dough for uniform sheeting. A single sheet forms the foundation of every chip. Precision keeps each chip identical. Next begins the core processing stage. Precision stamping defines the iconic Pringles form. Zero waste. Unused dough rejoins the mix. Preforms stabilize before entering hot oil.
Immersion frying locks in structure instantly.
Heat transforms the flexible dough into crispy forms.
Excess oil drains for controlled fat content.
Cooling stabilizes surface texture. Each chip adopts Pringles' signature curve. Controlled drying ensures long shelf stability. Dried chips now await flavor infusion.
Seasonings must flow evenly to coat every surface.
Uniform tumbling achieves balanced flavor coating. Optical check maintains consistent flavor levels. Recovered powder reduces material loss. Precision alignment sets stage for iconic packaging. Elevation enables vertical stacking modules.
Next begins the main transformation into packaged product.
Perfect stacks symbolize precision engineering.
Mechanical precision preserves every delicate stack.
Orientation remains unchanged from fryer to can. Each can receives a uniform barrier against moisture. Measured weight verifies correct chip quantity. Packaging components synchronize seamlessly. Inert atmosphere preserves crisp texture over time. Brand identity wraps each container. Precise wrap maintains smooth surface finish. Protective film reinforces package integrity. Heat conforms film to rigid cylindrical form. Cooling prevents condensation inside packaging. Traceability encoded for every produced unit. Quality oversight ensures no seal failures pass. Defects are isolated immediately. Merged flow ensures unified inspection standards.
Human expertise supplements automated checks.
Lot code clear.
Next begins high-tech automation for shipment scale.
Automation configures packaging for shipment demand.
Mechanical choreography aligns every unit perfectly.
Film enclosures protect bundles during transport.
Heat conforms the film to a rigid protective shell. Line flow remains uniform for downstream automation.
Automation accelerates pallet formation with perfect accuracy.
Stability systems prevent shifting during transit. Stability systems prevent shifting during transit.
Payload weight verified for safe logistics.
Secured packaging protects the product journey.
Material handling integrates into digital tracking.
Every pallet is registered for location traceability. Autonomous guided vehicles streamline warehouse flow. Sensors interpret the warehouse environment continuously. Smart routing adapts to shifting conditions.
Logistics systems synchronize across operations.
Bridging equipment prevents loading gaps. Pallet placement maximizes trailer capacity. Next begins precision quality control in the laboratory. Representative samples enter controlled testing space. Airlocks preserve sterile analytical conditions.
Samples undergo rigorous physical tests.
Moisture levels define crispness and shelf life.
Uniform coating preserves flavor consistency.
Human senses confirm machine assumptions.
Nutrient compliance confirms food integrity.
Redundant safeguards ensure contaminant-free products. Approval authorizes pallets for outbound logistics.
Fulfillment follows precise quality assurance. Material flows toward customer-facing logistics. Dense stacking maximizes route efficiency. Security seals maintain chain of custody control. Precision extends to final load compliance.
Outbound logistics complete internal journey.
Millions of chips travel countless miles daily.
Inside, rigorous quality control continues.
Vision systems detect micro defects imperceptible to humans. Software filters deviations in milliseconds. Off-spec units reroute for further evaluation.
Human to judgment determines final destination.
Randomized sampling ensures unbiased evaluation.
Thermal fluctuations simulate global transport exposure. Structural resilience prevents transit crushing. Chemical consistency guarantees nutritional targets. Real-time updates preserve traceable history.
Accelerated aging predicts long-term stability.
Surface testing prevents contamination risks.
Controlled incubation reveals microbial traces.
Sterility confirmed. Batch cleared for dispatch. Continuous improvement strengthens future production.
Accountability ensures lasting quality.
Authorization confirms readiness for shipment.
Approved inventories advance toward packaging completion. Next begins final packaging, storage, and dispatch.
Logistics software orchestrates pallet movement.
Dynamic routing adapts to real-time schedules.
Precise flow maintains operator safety.
Precision backing protects cargo integrity.
Efficient loading reduces dwell time.
Sealed loads maintain verified custody. Authorized departure marks journey's final leg. Finished goods begin distribution to markets worldwide.
Inventory control balances supply and demand.
Live updates synchronize global logistics. Scheduling anticipates downstream retail demand.
From raw potato to packaged product ready for shipment.
And this is how modern factories produce Pringles from start to finish.
A synchronized system built on engineering and precision. Every can carries a story of technology and teamwork.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.